14,000 peso or $230 per month with only annual lump sum of 650,000. Studio unit with 44.5 square meter, no spot down payment required here in Uptown Modern. Watch this video until the end. So ito yung 14,000 pesos or $230 per month na studio unit. So upon entering, meron tayong 2 induction cooktop na dito sa kitchen nyo, range hood, a lots of cabinets, and then meron tayong microwave. Dito rin sa kitchen nyo, included na rin yung ating built-in fridge. And then pagdating sa side na to, this will be your bathroom. So sa bathroom nyo naman, what you see here is what you get. Even yung mga mirror natin, lavatory, water closet, and then meron na rin tayong rain shower. So pagdating naman dito, this will be your space for your living and dining. Sobrang spacious niya. Included na nga rin pala yung split type aircon natin dito. So dito sa split type aircon, kaya na naman palamigin yung buong studio unit na to. So this space will be your bed space naman. Pwedeng-pwede dito yung queen size. Sobrang spacious din naman ito. And then modular closet is included. Then meron tayong access to your balcony. So this one is 44.5 square meter na studio unit. You can take advantage our no spot down payment and then 14,000 pesos or $230 with only annual lump sum of 650,000 pesos. Total contract price is 18 million. So if you wanna know more, this is Jared Magnayi and welcome to Buhay Ahente. Salam.